Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable the control center on lock screen on your iPhone iOS 18. It's really easy and simple to do this, guys. So basically, to do this, you want to venture in first into your settings, open up your settings on your iPhone, okay? Then what you want to do, guys, is you need to go ahead and click on the Face and ID passcode right here, okay? Go and click on that option right here, enter your passcode, and then you'll see a bunch of different options. What you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to the allow and access when locked section, and you see this control center option right here. Just toggle this one off, and when you do this, you basically disable it. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn on those bell notifications to get notified of the next video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.